Hi folks, Matthew Mills here, Nature-Cide, Pest Management Services and Products. Today we're here in fabulous Las Vegas to show you hospitality staff how to treat for bed bugs your mattresses and your beds. We're gonna do it quickly and effectively. Follow me and let's get started. Go folks, we've got our king size bed, nice hotel room in Las Vegas. We're gonna go through this bed, see if there's any bed bugs in it, then we're gonna treat it from top to bottom. You will need a few tools if you choose to remove the bottom of the box spring, but check it out, let's do it. You got your staple gun, your staple removers, you've got your screwdrivers, your box knife, and of course, your Nature-Cide all-purpose. Okay, so our first step was to strip the bed completely. All the pillows, all the sheets, everything off the bed. Then we take a damp cloth and we do a little test just to see if there's bed bugs actively on this bed. So watch this. It looks like this bed's clean, but let's check it out further. Okay, now that we've done a little test to see if there's bed bugs here, we see that we haven't seen any yet, so we're gonna pull the top mattress off and we're gonna start at the box spring. Follow me on this one. Then we pull this cover off. This is something else that you're gonna wanna pull and you're gonna wanna sanitize. You're gonna wanna wash this. Now, your box springs, crucial area. These are just gonna flip over. You can see that this bed has had action in it before. They've treated this bed with some sort of poison, not sure what, but we're gonna treat it with our natural product. So with a bed like this, you can see that it's already been treated, so you're not gonna need any of your tools. It makes it a lot easier when the cover is off the bottom of the box spring. So we're gonna hit this thing vigorously. Follow me, watch this. Heavily dousing this on the bottom. Heavily, everywhere, every nook and cranny. You're not gonna miss a spot on this thing. All the wood, all the cover, the whole 9 yards, everything. Anything that you see that's wet, you might wanna just wipe off. So wiping all your surfaces down that you got wet is very important. That way you don't have any water staining, because water stains. Nature-Cide doesn't stain, but you wanna wipe it in really well. Top of the box spring, hit it hard as possible. Soak it down, make everything wet. The more wet, the more killing power you're gonna do. Remember, all natural, so it's not gonna hurt anything. Once you soak everything down, you're gonna wanna wipe it in. Pretty simple. All over the whole bed. Now that we've got the mattress back on, we're gonna hit it hard, just like the box spring. Pretty simple stuff. Every nook and cranny. You wanna hit every nook and cranny. Remember, non-poisonous, non-evasive. Not gonna hurt anything. It's just like putting water on the bed. Really easy to use. Spray it down completely, all the nooks and crannies. It won't hurt it if it gets on the floor. Remember, it's non-staining. Really easy product to use and highly effective. Most important step, wiping it in. Making sure you got a good wipe in. Making sure you don't get any stains. You don't want that water stain. All around the edges, really hit it hard. So now that we've got one side done, we want to flip it over. Pretty simple, not much to this. Same thing, hitting it hard, all the nooks and crannies, all the edges, hitting this hard. This gives janitorial staff the ability to do this without having to call in anyone else. product is heavily effective. Works amazing. And again, wiping it in. So safe, I'm not even using gloves. Beauty of this, folks, this will be dry in about an hour. You can make the bed and invite your patrons back in. This is Matthew Mills with Nature-Cide Products and Services, signing off.